Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome in. My name is Anna. This is Ananda Tarot, just getting ready to do your love reading for the sign Cancer. 6 card spread. We'll look into your person energies. I'm using a Real Shadow Work Tarot, and then I will use clarifiers here with the Runic Tarot Mini. At the end I will also ask advice and we'll see what I will be using then. Don't know yet. I might also use some oracles when needed. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, not a personal reading. I will be tapping into energies of many Cancerians. There might be mixed messages coming through, so just keep this in mind. If you're looking for personal readings, I offer them as well. There is a link to my website down below in the description box. All the tarot readings, consultancy, everything is there. You will be able to read through a lot of information. Thank you all for your likes, shares, comments, subscribing, and support to the channel. Really appreciate you all. In spirit of service for the highest good of all. Connect me to Cancer person, please. Cancer person. There are some blockages definitely in this connection. Clashes. Death. Your connection has ended or is going through transformation, or both. Definitely big changes. 2 Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles means that there is indecision, trying to balance yourself out, or they're trying to balance themselves out and their life, their priorities, possibly some indecision with regards to steps forward. Trying to weigh their options as well. With 2 of Pentacles, you see one is bigger, one is smaller. Like, which way should I go? What's the better avenue, path to be taken? And again, balance. And 6 also indicates balance when it comes to generosity, giving towards the connection. Maybe there is a review going on after ending of the connection of why it ended, and why there was imbalance, and how to balance things out within this connection. And that's happening a lot in solitude. Somebody might be also going through dark night of the soul, some spiritual transformation with the death being here and the hermit together. And that is around the energy exchange, priorities, life, and potentially the reasons for ending a relationship. Okay. How do they view this connection? How do they view Cancer? What's the challenge? What's hidden from Cancer and is affecting this connection? Actions they will take. And advice. Okay, that's interesting. So how they view this connection at the moment, there is some defensiveness. There's somebody stood their ground, draw a line in the sand. Somebody at this moment is being defensive, fighting also for what they believe. I will have to clarify whether there are other people being involved. There seems to be something that we need to defend ourselves from or fight for. There seems to be some defensiveness at this stage in this connection. How they view you is 3 of Cups. Apologies. So 3 of Cups speaks about emotional fulfillment, joy, dating, having fun, a group of people. Maybe you are a part of a social circle with this person. Could be, and I have to say it, third party situation, because there's Three of Cups usually indicates that, but also friendship, partnership. Maybe that's how they view you at the moment. Maybe they think you are participating in some group life and you're living a happy life. This is joyous, celebratory energy. They might be also hoping for reconnection and celebration. This is also a card of reunions, so we will have to see when I clarify. The challenge seems to be the path, stepping up, making a decision. There's a lot of indecision. We have seen already Two of Pentacles, lack of balance, going back and forth. This is also decision, choice with regards to whether I should go back or actually I should take this journey. I can see the path. I know where I'm going, although I don't see the full path forward. It also seems risky, doesn't it? I'm not sure if I can manage to go through this journey. I would like to, I am tempted, but at this stage I am uncertain after the ending if I can balance things out, if I can step up to this challenge. This looks like a challenge to me today. And indecision, maybe I should just turn back, because there will be discomfort going through this path. There is magic at the end of the tunnel, so to speak, but the challenge whether they can go through it. So what's hidden from you and is affecting this connection is Two of Swords. So again, indecision and being on the fence, maybe lacking certain information in order to be able to move forward. Maybe they are uncertain on how you feel, if this is you blocking them. So they're struggling here with the challenge. Today I'm picking up from this card, challenge, difficulty going forward, and if I can manage. And it's going to take a lot of them to be able to come towards you. Now this can also indicate some blockage, some denial, something or someone, a situation blocking them from moving forward, or it's themselves. Can be also fear of conflict. Fear of conflict, yes, that's what came through me. Justice is the actions they will take. So they will take action to balance things out with you. At the moment there is definitely imbalance. We have seen also this balance with these Two of Pentacles. It comes through very strong in this connection and the reading energy and weighing options and making decisions. Justice is also truth, being truthful, making things right, setting record right, being honest, balancing things out, and wanting to take responsibility, be in integrity. If there's any truth to be spoken, then that is clearly what's blocking them, and they feel uncertain about your reaction and they see the risk going forward. But they will do it. They will do it. It's a major arcana as well. So quite the strongest energy is here in the whole reading at the moment on the table is on justice. So it's universal justice, karmic justice, karma, cause and effect, something that needs to happen and is also guided by the divine in order for them to do it, because they feel a bit stuck wherever they are. What's happening at the moment, they are feeling a bit stuck, and they feel the need to, regardless of how dangerous the path looks forward, they are being pushed in that direction. Your advice is Knight of Swords. So communication, being clear on communication with this person, but also being careful not to be too aggressive. Yeah, this is a Knight of Swords. He can be in a regular Rider-Waite tarot very cutting, very aggressive. It can be drama, it can be conflict, clashing. So as advice card would be to soften that a little bit. You had Cancer a lot coming up of Queen of Swords. So that's another variation of that Queen of Swords as well. And yet, truthful communication when it comes to past, but without too much aggression or anger, frustration, to tame the beast, the mind really. Okay, we will see when I clarify. Spirit, can you tell me more about Seven of Wands in the current energy in this connection for Cancer, please? Why there is Seven of Wands, how they view this connection with Cancer, why there is Seven of Wands. So there is a desire to reach out with something small, with apology, and they feel blocked from you. You maybe have blocked them on social media, on your phone, or energetically. They feel this is a challenge, this is an obstacle they will need to go through, and they're fighting for it. There's also admiration towards you. They're admiring you for standing your ground, because they would like to work on this. Now I'm seeing another Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Empress here, Six of Wands, King of Cups. They want to work on things. They want to work things out. And again, confirmation, you may know this person from work or friend group or some sort of social circle, or these people have been involved in a situation which could have caused you being defensive or them being defensive. And this person is also examining very much this cup, and I feel they need to rise to the need here to apologize, but they're also examining it on how to reach out, because there is a barrier in communicating with you, or potentially they will hit the wall with you. And I mean, it feels like there is anger, frustration in you, and they feel it too. They're trying to soften it, to come soft. This is emotional expression, apology, but something small. They might think of reaching out, something small, just to test the waters with you, to be honest. So just so you know, don't judge immediately that they do not care. It could be taken that way. No, it might be that they are just taking the first step, and they will try to warm up in order to come towards you, because there is some fear with regards to this reaching out towards you. Can you tell me more about Three of Cups? How do they view Cancer? How do they view Cancer? They maybe see you happy and in celebration. Maybe you're celebrating something with other people. I don't know. This wants to come. So, okay. Look, this is you. This is how they view you. So this is Queen of Swords, definitely, with this sword up still. Apologies about the noise. It's Odin, if you know already from the picture. They see there was change within you. You've changed. They would like to come together with you, but they also see a big change that happened in your expression. They've never seen you with a sword up like that. I think this is Cancer reaching soft, sweet, empathetic, kind and forgiving Cancer, reaching the limit point and draws the line, and sword is up, and they see this big change in you, but they also really would like to change that, would like to come together and have a more of an emotional, fulfilling, maybe time out in order to influence the change. But they know that you are also guarded because it took them a long time. It's been a long time that you have been in this guarded state as well, and which is why it's making it even more difficult for them to make a decision to come towards you. They see that this is not, you did not put down your sword, so waiting it out is not the good strategy. It just keeps your sword higher and higher because there's lack of communication. So I think they're having this realization that if they don't do something, regardless of how stressful it is and how fearful they are, they need to make a move and set the record right and come and communicate this truth, because you already know the truth and you want this truth and nothing else. So Yeah, I think they're also waiting for a few things in divine timing to be able to come towards you and to explain maybe to you why it took this long, and hoping that you will then understand, that you will listen. Queen of Swords is the listening queen. I'm seeing here strong Pisces energy, Hangman. So I think there was a bit of a stuck energy. Somebody was stuck, but they also see a different perspective, different side of you. They might be also letting go of something. I'm seeing here Queen of Pentacles. At this stage, I don't know if this is you. They see your worth. They had a change of perspective, but there is definitely mental anxiety. Yes, I think this is you drawing your line in the sand, presenting your worth, and you know what you're bringing to the table, and they know it now. They have this clarity. Hence the guilt, something guilt with regards to past, something they have done in the past. Did you see what happened? Oh my gosh. Ace of Cups, healing, wanting new love, new beginning, expression of love, and this is you, Cancer, male or female, in your passive energy. There is a lot of love also they have for you. This is compassion, forgiveness, love, intuition, and creativity here that they want to look at that. And Two of Cups behind it, and 10 of Pentacles. Okay. There's a lot of happening under the surface that you do not know about, but this is wanting to come. So let it be. It's also them seeing you healing, and after you heal, you may not wish to let them back in because you've healed and it was difficult to heal. You've made changes in your life. You're moving on. You worked on this for a while, on your own healing, to become happy again, or happier, which doesn't mean that you are no longer guarded towards them and they feel they might be missing out if they don't do something. In terms of communication, message, maybe apology or certain offer from an Emperor. They might be bossing up and they know they need to boss up and be in this Emperor energy in order to take control and charge of the situation. Otherwise, the wheel will not move. You're expecting something in order to make a change, to heal this connection. And I've got time. I'll wait. And if not, then I'm moving on by myself. I'm the master of my fate and captain of my soul. It's a very important poem. I can't remember the name of this poem. Master of my fate, captain of my soul. It was in a South African movie about rugby with Nelson Mandela. I will maybe post it. Invictus. Thank you, Spirit. Invictus poem. You may want to read that. Might be a message there for you, Cancer. Clarify the Two of Wands. Two of Wands in challenge. Challenge. What's the challenge? Two of Wands. Contemplating this journey. Look at this. Two of Wands comes back. See, this is this planning the journey forward, leaving the comfort zone in order to head on a journey that we have no idea what's going to happen. That's pretty much it. Can you tell me more about Two of Wands? So they're in silence trying to contemplate these decisions. Why is it a challenge though? Why? Why this is a challenge, in challenge position, this Two of Wands? Why? Reversal. So they're overcoming, they're trying to overcome their anxiety. That's why. And it's landing here, which is this blockage and indecision again. When it comes to this union, reunion, maybe marriage, and making things right, justice. It's hunting them. It's really hunting them, and there is fear. So the challenge is their anxiety, and they need to surrender their anxiety, calm their mind with the Four of Swords, that's a minor arcana for Hermit, and we have seen Hermit under the deck. So that's a deep thought being given there. Until they don't transcend their own anxiety or guilt or whatever happened, that is also self-love, self-appreciation, understanding that I have made a mistake, but I am able to make changes going forward. And then going forward, then it is at the moment still in the challenge, not moving. Clarify the Two of Swords that is hidden from Cancer, please, and is affecting this connection. What is this Two of Swords? Well, holding back some more from fire. I feel this is them keeping this distance from fire, from being burned, literally, by you. Maybe they're afraid that you will reject them. Maybe you have rejected them already. And that's the fear of rejection, fear of being burned if they make a decision. There is fear, look, devil. This is some outdated thinking, something that happened in the past, something that's holding on to them for quite some time. There is a fear as well. Okay. I jumped. Apologies. I will have to look. It's okay. Little Theo sometimes gets corrected by the bigger dogs when he climbs on their head. And unfortunately, he squeaks, but he's okay, he's safe. So the devil is holding them back, and it's been illuminated that there is, with the sun, that this is, they manifested their own happiness, and in order to manifest their own happiness with the magician, they need to let go of the devil, which is their own fears, I feel. Fear also of repeating certain cycles. And here we have Four of Wands again. Three of Cups. Reconciliation, coming together. Now, or there was a third party. Okay, so maybe if you resonate with a third party situation, now that could be anyone. It doesn't have to be romantic partner, but it could be, here we have Three of Cups with the Queen of Wands, which usually is a third party, especially that we have Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles and Five of Cups, and a Hierophant, Judgment from the past. So this could be that they couldn't move forward because of other connection, and they know you're upset because they have put you in a third party. So they see you at the moment as well as the third person in the mix, and they have guilt for it. They're holding because of that, holding back, or being held back in another connection. And there is rejection because of that, shame, deep guilt and regret for what they have done in the past. And this is higher level commitment, also being true to certain values, morals. In their case, not being true to certain morals, values, or traditions. Tell me more about Two of Swords, please, which is the blockage. Somebody is also maybe holding on to them. Tell me more about this Two of Swords. This person might be quite aggressive and disturbing. If you've heard what happened, everything during reading happens for a reason. So, Three of Swords, watching, strategizing, being uncertain on movement forward. Usually Page of Swords is somebody who's spying and watching from a distance, strategizing as well, preparing for a fight, preparing for what you're going to say. So if you say this word, what they will answer, kind of strategic approach, because there was a heartbreak because of deception and some lies. They were dishonest, and that's the regret and guilt. They weren't honest that they may have been already in another connection. That's what I mean. Or they weren't honest about your connection or where is it going, or they have been wishy-washy and sabotaged this, and that requires clarity, giving you more detail on the situation and communicating, which they haven't done. That's why the Justice is here. You were treated unjustly in the past, and it's time to bring justice to the situation, and hence fears whether you will even listen, and if you do, what will be your response. King of Pentacles, you might be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Doesn't have to be somebody who is wanting to come towards you in a present themselves as somebody who is stable, loyal, grounded. This is actually them thinking about this as well for quite some time with this Knight of Pentacles. Wanting to put in work for something long term, and it looks like that's how they want to appear in your life, with the justice, taking responsibility, being loyal, provider, protector. That's how they want to present themselves to you when they return. They don't feel happy at the moment. They feel, I see them not seeing the opportunity at the moment, because they're thinking about the spilled milk and just staring into the sky while the miracle is passing by. They don't see it. They don't see exactly the possibility going forward. They're in the dark when it comes to future, and have some fears as well because of the past. They're fearing rejection as well, that the past will come up to the surface and will be then transferred into the future. There is darkness and uncertainty when it comes to the future. But further on, I can see you, Two of Cups, yes, and again, Seven of Wands, you blocking them. Now, Seven of Wands also indicates that somebody wants to stand up for what they believe and fight for what they believe. It is indicated then as if wanting to fight for this connection. Even if they're fighting off other people, but this is them fighting for this connection and coming in with this apology, with this cup. I don't think this was a very long connection for you, Cancer. I mean, this might be rekindling. That's why I'm seeing Page of Cups and Ace of Cups, new love, beginnings. But it could be that you have been more on a friendly terms, and it didn't quite take off yet because of this third-party situation, of which they haven't been quite honest about. Or this is rekindling, and that's why these early stages. Let's clarify this justice a bit more. Please tell me more about the actions they will take with this justice. Look at that. Knight of Swords coming in to communicate the truth. Can be a harsh truth. That's why this is them gearing up for maybe battle as well. There is some frustration as well, but definitely coming towards you with this communication, with this truth and apology. Now I have Knight of Cups as well, with this moon, with this fear, with this uncertainty. Now look at this Knight of Swords, and you are in Knight of Swords. So be equal in a communication truthfully with them, but you know, don't go into eye for an eye type of energy, because everyone will just become blind in the process. I will just keep going, even though Anubis is barking, because there's maybe not. You see, interruptions. There's, I feel other people are interrupting a lot in this connection and have been pulling on the energy of your person, and that's why they were unable even to make clear decisions and moves forward. Let's keep going. Clarify Knight of Swords. Temperance is showing up. Tell me more about Knight of Swords, please. Knight of Swords in advice. Oh, the Lovers. This is your person, relationship, commitment, twin flame, soulmate connection, very strong connection, and that's why you're mirroring each other. You are mirroring each other. Two Knights of Swords even facing each other in the reading. Work on this connection. Eight of Pentacles. Look, review past. This is Seven of Pentacles. There were seeds planted, and you can take out more from it if you review what happened in the past and then move forward based on that. Again, 4 of Wands, twin flame soulmate connection with the Temperance Archangel Michael, protection over this connection, guidance, and patience needed, because you will be moving forward to calmer waters then. Just be patient. Together you can move forward, but you need to calm your mind first, I feel. This is what I'm getting this time. Before you make a decision, don't jump into reflecting whatever they're going to say, because you might be mirroring their energy. Calm your mind first before making this decision. Decision is the Lovers as well when it comes to going forward together. Tower here. Tower, it can be surprise, it can be shock to you, some shocking news maybe, something that's gonna demolish whatever you have been believing in or thinking, and it will change the course of your life. This is a change of course as well. Change of course. This decision will impact whether you will reach your peace or not, or decide for peace rather than for combat, if you want change in your life. And that's going to be the communication, new beginning, them reaching out, having new start through this communication. There might be a lot of communication going back and forth, so yeah, just calm your mind before making a decision and replying. Don't rush with this Knight of Swords. Take your time and then take a step back to look at this situation maybe from a different perspective, from their perspective. I'm getting this juggling. This will be you also indecisive, and 6 of Pentacles that we have seen under the deck. To transform this, you know, weigh your options, but balance. It's also generosity. It speaks about decentralizing yourself, not it's me, myself, and I, and what I want and what happened, which is fair enough. You do know what you want. But in this case, before making a decision, it's looking also into other person perspective and being generous in terms of energy exchange, allowing, more allowing in this case rather than pushing. So there can happen this exchange, energetic exchange. Look, Queen of Wands wanted to show. So yeah, pretty much a Knight of Wands. So past 7 of Pentacles and the Devil. Yeah, there could have been a betrayal, or they didn't tell you about somebody else being there. But Devil with Queen of Wands would be that somebody else was in the picture that was holding on to them, possibly. Anything else Cancer needs to know about this person coming towards them? Yeah, the truth is coming to light. Clarity, truth, revelation, honor, protection, determination. This is all that comes in this card. Truth, clarity, communication, honor, protection, determination. Everything is in these 3 cards. Your soulmate, twin flame, twin flame. Okay. Anything else? Somebody was self-absorbed, one-sided, has done a lot of self-reflection, or they have been connected to that person. Tell me more. Definitely missing you, in separation, thinking about you, uncertain future. This is this uncertainty that is confirmed. I will clarify this narcissist card. Let's don't label people, but I think someone has done self-reflection about being selfish, acting selfishly. The runner, fear of intimacy, somebody who ran from this connection possibly. They checked out when there was intensity beginning to be intense and masked. They were not revealing the truth, maybe about being in another connection or about their own feelings. Anything else? Anything else for Cancer, please, Spirit. Needing time, cycles take time, time to heal and processing. So cycles, one cycle closing, another one to begin, and light-hearted. They might reach out in a light-hearted way just to test the waters and finding out, change, things coming to light to heal the situation. Apologies. Sorry about that. Maybe you don't even hear them, but outside I'm doing this reading in the morning, which is a different time, and there are other dog was running by. So everybody got excited. Anything else Cancer needs to know? Anything else Cancer needs to know about this person? Look, Narcissist comes twice in a reading. Now that's a message there. But yes, luck is on your side. I wouldn't put together luck with a Narcissist in the same sentence. But okay. Tell me more. Okay. Pets, getting a new pet, giving a current pet more love. This is also speaking about friendship. Maybe building friendship together, Cancer. Now, my thought was I need to clarify the golden mirror and the Narcissist, but okay, I will clarify still. But let go, make room for the new beginning is on the way to you. Transformation, change. Again, letting go, cycles twice. And they will be back. Expect to hear from them soon. It looks like soon because this is in a current energy, this apology, and here we have Knight of Swords, so that's pretty fast coming at you soon. But tell me more about this golden mirror and Narcissist energy. Why is it showing up here? Someone is full of themselves. Maybe it's just ego, you know, ego is fear or not wanting to apologize, admit the mistake, because that's what ego is. Ego is very fearful creature that admitting, you know, apology means admitting a mistake, and ego doesn't like to be wrong. This is why we humans usually fight and we choose to be right rather than to be happy or peaceful. That's what it is. Ego's job. Because its survival depends on it. It's diminished if it has to apologize or admit mistake. Clarify the Narcissist, please, card. So what is this energy? Can you give me more? This wants to, okay. Yeah. 7 of Swords. Tell me more. So they acted selfishly in the past and they hid truth from you. And now they are afraid of admitting that they lied, because this is the truth that comes with it, and they need to boss up for that, to take responsibility for what they've done. So this is this apology coming through again with a Knight of Cups from an Emperor. You might be dealing with an Aries, doesn't have to be, but this is energy, somebody male or female, embodying this energy to be in charge of what happened, what they've done, taking responsibility, accountability, for what they have done in the past, for acting out of line, selfishly, and being deceitful. And they will take that leap of faith. We have 2 major arcanas here. So that's having faith in the universe. I don't see the full journey. I don't know. I'm afraid. I'm still held back here by situations, but I will take this leap. They will, because they feel the need to do that. And regardless, I'm going to fall, maybe not. I feel guided that I have to do it. We have seen this with this Justice card, with this hunting wolf, you know, something is hunting them and they feel they absolutely need to clear the air and take accountability with Emperor. Okay. Tell me, Spirit, what's the message here for Cancer? Any additional message for Cancer, please? a message for Cancer, please. Walking in beauty. That would be always a suggestion to ground yourself, go out a little bit more. And walk in beauty, you know, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. So as you perceive the situation, that's how it's going to be. This is manifestation as well, your manifestation, your subconscious mind. So you may want to look into Neville Goddard teachings, law of assumption, and how you can manifest outcomes. Eagle medicine. That's a beautiful message, that one. Profound connection to the Creator and the heavenly realms. As the eagle soars high above the earth, it has the ability to see things from a higher perspective. Courage and stamina are filling your life. You have the ferocity to right injustice and wrongs done to you or to others. Wow. This is the time to face fear and overcome it. If the Eagle Medicine card has chosen you, you are at the advent of the opportunity to truly see life from a rarefied vantage point. Eagles are considered one of the most sacred of all birds in many tribes and cultures. Their single-minded fierceness, dynamic energy, and ability to soar high are part of the reason for this. This card reminds you to take heart and face fear. You do indeed have the strength to overcome any adversity. You also have a direct line to the Creator. Your prayers are heard and will be answered in accordance with your highest good. You have the capacity to channel extraordinary life force energy through your hands. Some of you might be healers, you are connecting to the divine, you will be guided on your spiritual journey as well. Now this is also, you see this powerful fierceness and dynamic energy is showing as well in the Knight of Swords, which is your advice. So the journey suggestion is go on an inner journey and imagine that you're an eagle. Feel the power of your wings, the clarity of your eyesight, and the power of your talons. As you do this, be aware of the energy of the majestic eagle filling you. Yes, so don't be afraid to communicate as well your truth, but in the same time, move to calmer waters before answering, before making decision. This is your mental activity advice. Yes, and take a step back. Look at, we've seen the Hangman. So, yeah, 3,000 feet above, view on the situation rather than being hyper focused on that. And before taking any decision, connect to your higher self. And yet don't be afraid to communicate clearly. You're equals in this conversation. Emperor or not, you're an empress. And two Knights of Swords will have a very clear, very honest communication. Just try not to do it as a battle. Okay, well, that's a lovely message for you, Cancer, today. Let me know if this resonates. Thank you, much love and blessings. Namaste.